Here's how to add plugins on WordPress, just a few steps. First, log into your WordPress dashboard. On the left sidebar, click on Plugins. Use the search bar on the top left to find the plugin you want. For example, type Eliminator. Once you find the plugin, click Install Now. After the installation finishes, click Activate to enable the plugin on your site. You can go now to Settings on your plugin's own tab to customize it. Want to upload a plugin manually? Just click Upload Plugin. Choose the zip file from your computer and hit Install Now. Pro tip: always make sure the plugin is compatible with your WordPress version and has good reviews. That's it. You've successfully added a plugin on WordPress. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to leave us your thoughts in the comments.